Hi, it's Mike with AskTractorMike.com. Well, today, this is Wes, my neighbor, and Wes and I, or mostly Wes, are going to tackle a little problem I created on my grapple. And I was doing the right thing here a few weeks ago using the grease gun, and it got hung up, and I twisted it and moved it, and the grease zerk snapped off. And so we're going to show you today how to replace a grease zerk. And Wes is who I want to be when I grow up. He's way more mechanical than I am, and he's got better tools. And I'm going to film how he changes the grease zerk, and we're going to do it kind of in real time. Wes thinks this will be a 3-minute video. If it were me doing it, it'd be probably a 30-minute video.
We hope.
But we'll find out. Let's go. Get started.
All right.
Okay, here's the problem right here. And I just hit that and snapped it off. And I'll turn it over to Wes. We're going to go to the other side.
Take this one out. Take the good one out.
Let's get out of the wind here. What do we got, Wes? Is it a threaded?
It's a threaded zerk. And what I want to make sure is that when we try to take the other side out, we're not getting into the machine itself and just trying to use an easy out or a screwdriver to get the zerk out. So I'm going to measure that just to be darn sure.
We're going to try to get the broken off part out, and it's threaded. That's a good thing. Threaded zerks are nice.
Yep. So I don't know whether this is small enough or not.
What you got there? You got an easy out?
An easy out, but I think it's going to be too big. It may not be. We'll see. Let's check this size of this hole. I don't need it real big. Okay, there's lots of, there's still a lot of material left in there. I should be able to take a screwdriver. I think in this case, maybe a screwdriver. Just a little flat screwdriver and stick in there and hopefully get it by hand if it's loose. If not, we may have to take a drill bit to it. There's still a lot of material left in there where that was broke off. There's still the whole wall of the threads left. So let me see if we can get one of these. That one's small enough or not, but it looks like it will be.
And you're going to drive that in there?
Yeah, I'm just going to try to force it in there by hand a little bit. And it may be too big, too small. It is. That one's too small. I'll try this Phillips. I think it's going to come out relatively easy. If not, we'll have to switch to something. Well, that one's also too small. Everything's larger than I thought. It's not coming out, so we'll have to get the easy out. Hopefully our easy out's not too big. I'm afraid it may be. This is gonna work. Yeah, it's gonna come out. See that?
There we go.
There it is. Thankfully you didn't damage it or we couldn't get it out.
Yep, the wisdom tooth is extracted, and we're time to put a new one in.
That's right. Okay. Let's see if this other will fit.
Well, we thought we had the problem solved because Wes has an old, that one right there is an old off of
Universal joint.
U-joint, but it won't fit. It's close. So how are we going to determine what size threads we need?
Well, I'm going to measure it with a gauge, and then I'm going to find the nut that'll screw onto that, and we'll go to the local parts store and match it up.
Cool.
It's too big. $12. It's an M12.
It is metric.
I think. It appears it is, because 1/4 inch is too big. And I would bet this universal joint, which I think is out of a Ford pickup, is going to be a 1/4 inch. Yep, I believe that's probably.
So we're dealing with one metric and one standard.
We think so, yes. That's what it looks like to me. See?
I see a helmet on that. Where'd you get that?
You know, I've had this forever, but a lot of bolt companies where you buy nuts and bolts will have those. And I actually think this was sent to me in a package of bolts that I ordered. I'm going to leave that in there. We'll take it to the parts store like that so they can get an idea of which one it is. I think that's the right size. It could be. But I think I want to get a nut and put on that and match the nut up so we know we got the right thread for sure.
Okay.
I think that'd be the best.
Even though it looked like that our grease zerk that we took out was a 12, turns out that's not what it is. We went to O'Reilly. Young man there helped us, and here's the new grease fittings. And these are actually 6mm by 1 threads. So our little gauge didn't help us much, but we had the old grease zerk and we matched it up. We'll see if it fits. Okay, we're back with a new grease zerk.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness.
Easy.
That was easy. Short video this week. That's good. There's the new Zerk installed. Now that's, if you've got a threaded in Zerk, if you've got a pressed in Zerk, you're probably gonna have to take the whole Zerk out and take whatever's left in there out and then tap it, get it tapped, and then get one of these new Zerks, threaded Zerks, and put in there. And that's a little bit more of a job, but if you got something like I have, that's all there is to it. I appreciate you watching my videos. I would be honored if you would subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can do that by clicking the mic face icon here and check the bell so you get notified when I post future videos. Here's a link to my website and the Tractor Fun Store with cool things for sale for the tractor owner. It helps support my channel. And here's another couple of videos you might want to watch. Thanks for watching.